driver is a UPS truck. Outside delivering some stuff here.
Hey guys, it's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and I just got a delivery from Slee Off Road.
Suspension!
Suspension!
Suspension! Suspension!
So let's break open these boxes and check it out. So we definitely know what these are. Old Man Emu torsion bars. Superior ride, superior handling, superior strength. But definitely heavy. I am not actually going to pull those out of there. They're greased up pretty good. So we know what that is. I think we'll open this small box. Alright. Looks like we got the Slee Diff Drop hardware kit. These are some super beefy metal spacers here. Certainly larger and heavier duty than I would have anticipated. Got some nitrocharger shocks in here. Two 6002 shocks and two 6000s. Right, we've got a heavily wrapped Slee Diff Drop. So let's ship this guy out. That was a nice heavy-duty piece of metal. And as with the other Slee products I've got, they always find a spot to put the Slee name on there. Yeah, that is a good looking hunk of metal. Of course, I'm gonna bang it up the second I got it. All right, let's see what we have in box number 2. All right, I see some SPC stuff in here. Let's take a look at that. Check that out, pretty beefy. What else we got in there? Oh yeah. Here's the replaceable ball joints. Adjustable and some information on it. And last but not least, I've got some 2860 springs here. From Slee, this is the medium kit. The 2.5 inch medium. Take a peek in there. Yep, so we have a B and an A. One's gonna be slightly longer than the other. Let's check that out. Yep. You can see the A here is a little shorter. The B's a little longer. So there you have it, guys. This is the Old Man Emu 2.5 inch medium duty lift from Slee Off Road. Super excited to get all this stuff into the Land Cruiser and see how it looks when we're done. We'll be doing all of the work and posting all the videos in the next few weeks. Please click that thumbs up button and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And thanks very much for stopping by.
Suspension!
Suspension!
Suspension! Suspension!
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.